All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. So here is the new project for the channel. It was gonna be on this rolling cart right here, but I kind of want to park the second car in the garage right here. So basically just screwed this to the wall. This is like a 6-foot wall, 6x6, and then like a 6x3-foot wall or something over here. So I'm going to be using this to demonstrate videos of circuitry, how to wire plugs, how to wire lights, all that good stuff, how to make up stuff, how to terminate plugs, lights, all that good stuff. Maybe do some panel wiring and stuff like that, mounting spread bars, anything like that. If you guys got any questions, any things you want to see, drop them in the comments. I'll try to get to it. This sent me back a little bit, but it's all good. It's good for the channel, great for growing the channel and making content. So I'm excited to do it. So this is, my friend built this for me. These are 16 inches apart. Actually, no, these are 2 foot apart. And then this one over here is 16 inches apart. So I got 2 studs here at 16 inches apart. This is a one separate piece right here. And then this one right here, like I said, is a second piece. It was gonna be on the corner of this on one side and then the other 3 foot on the other part, but I didn't want to be working on the cart or the rolly cart. So I want to just be able to set down the camera and just be able to work here, have a better angle and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this and stay tuned for awesome videos that I'll be making. Hopefully super beneficial for all the beginners out there. Some basic stuff. So stay tuned. Like I said, if you got anything you want to see, anything you want me to go over, just let me know. I'm obviously gonna have to go buy all this stuff. Wire, boxes, lights, plugs, switches, all that good stuff. So if you want to donate anything, it's totally not necessary, but I have my Cash App in the description if you want to help donate or offset any of the costs. I'd appreciate it, but as long as you guys are sticking around and watching, that's good enough for me. So I appreciate all your support. You guys make this stuff possible, and stay tuned. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. Just want to keep it nice and short. I'm going to try to pull the second car in here real quick. I think I should have plenty of room between here and the other car, the Corvette. So anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much. Thank you all for patiently waiting for this over, I don't know, a week since I announced this. So this is the great wall that I got going. So can't wait to do some stuff for you guys. So that should do it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Check the description for anything else. Hit the like and subscribe. It'll help out and grow the channel. I'd appreciate it. And hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.